Many charging station investments fail due to slow returns, with costs and profits almost balanced. How does adding energy storage help? Can an integrated charging storage solution solve grid limitations and slow ROI? Let's break it down. For cost control, the integrated solution store electricity at low rates and supply during peak hours to drastically cut energy costs, and seamlessly integrates with solar systems to further reduce expenses and turn energy savings into real profit. The integrated charging storage design reduces space requirements, lowers transport and installation costs, shorter deployment time. High-power charging is now the industry trend. The built-in screen offers advertising opportunities, save on electricity, lower investment, boost ROI. It is emerging as a practical solution for charging infrastructure.